Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be showing you how to do this infinity braid. This is not like a normal fishtail braid. This is a little bit snake type braid. So let's get started. So first you're gonna divide your hair into two equal parts and from the left. Then put the section over one half and underneath the second half, and over the second half and underneath the first half. Now when you have done underneath, you're going to take a section from the first half and again repeat the process over the first half, underneath the second half, and then add section from the second half and over the second half and underneath the first half, and take section from the first half and add it to the strap. So you're gonna create an infinity kind of pattern. Thanks for watching, and that was the result, and that's it. Bye.